Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Webflow email capture forms, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable email capture forms in Webflow, start by logging into your Webflow account. Select the project where you want to add the email capture form. Navigate to the designer view by clicking on the designer button at the top of your project page. In the left panel, locate the add panel, represented by a plus icon. Click on this icon to open the Add Elements menu. Scroll down to the Forms section. Drag the form block from the panel onto your canvas. Resize and position the form as desired within your layout. In the form block, you'll see a default text field. Click on this text field to edit its properties. In the Settings panel on the right, change the field label to something like Email. Next, add a Submit button by dragging the button element into the form block. With the form block selected, go to the Settings panel again. Look for the Form Settings section to set up email notifications. Input your email address where you want to receive submissions. This will ensure that each time someone submits the form, you receive an email. After configuring email notifications, click on Publish in the top right corner of the designer. Choose the appropriate hosting option for your project. Finally, view your live site to test the email capture form. Make sure to fill in the form and submit it to confirm that everything is working correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.